So you've got a Jeep, you've got that iconic 7-slot grille, the freedom of a removable top, and a spirit of adventure that's always ready for the next trail. But let's be real, outfitting your Jeep for every eventuality can get expensive. That's where the dollar store comes in. You'd be amazed at the useful and sometimes genius items you can find for your rig without breaking the bank. Here at Wiki Jeeps, we believe in being prepared without overspending. We scoured the aisles of our favorite budget-friendly stores and put together this list of must-have items to keep in your Jeep. For the off-road adventurer and the daily driver, these are the items that are just as useful on a muddy trail as they are on a crosstown grocery run. Microfiber cloths. Forget the expensive automotive wipes. A multi-pack of microfiber cloths is perfect for dusting the dash, wiping down windows, or drying off gear. They're absorbent, reusable, and a fraction of the cost. Plastic shower caddy or bin. This is a game changer for organization. Use a shower caddy to hold your essential fluids, motor oil, washer fluid, etc., to prevent them from toppling over in the back. A small plastic bin with a lid is also great for keeping tools, gloves, or recovery gear from rolling around. Sponge paint brushes. This is a clever hack for cleaning your Jeep's interior. The small, angled foam of a sponge paint brush is perfect for getting into all those tight spots, like air vents, console crevices, and the nooks and crannies of your dash. Small trash can. A cereal dispenser with a lid can be a fantastic sealable trash can for your Jeep. It prevents spills and keeps odors contained, which is a must-have for long road trips or messy trail days. Carabiner hooks. These aren't just for climbing. Use them to hang grocery bags from the headrest to prevent spills, or to attach a small bag of essentials to a grab handle. Building a budget emergency kit. A well-stocked emergency kit is crucial, and you can build a surprisingly comprehensive one with dollar store finds. First aid essentials, band-aids, antiseptic wipes, gauze, and even small tubes of pain relief cream are often available. While it won't replace a professional first aid kit, it's perfect for minor cuts and scrapes. Flashlights and glow sticks. The dollar store always has a variety of flashlights and batteries. Glow sticks are another great, inexpensive option. They are a safe light source for kids and can be used to signal for help in an emergency. Duct tape. The uses for duct tape are endless. From temporary repairs to sealing a leaky container, it's a must-have for any emergency kit. Reusable bags. Keep a few reusable bags in your Jeep. They're great for carrying wet or muddy clothes, holding groceries, or even as a makeshift cover for a broken window in a pinch. Snacks and water. Stock up on non-perishable snacks like granola bars or crackers. Don't forget to grab a few bottles of water, which are essential in any emergency. Sometimes it's the little things that make your Jeep life better. Cupcake liners. Place paper cupcake liners in your cup holders to catch all the crumbs and spills. When they get dirty, simply toss them and replace them. Binder clips. These are surprisingly useful. Use them to clip papers together, organize charging cables, or even as a temporary air vent phone holder in a pinch. Hand sanitizer and wipes. Keep a stash of hand sanitizer and wet wipes on hand for messy hands after working on the Jeep or just as a quick cleanup after a snack. So next time you're cruising past a dollar store, don't just see a place for cheap home goods. See an opportunity to stock up on useful, budget-friendly items that will make your Jeep more organized, prepared, and ready for whatever the road or the trail throws your way. What are your favorite dollar store finds for your Jeep? Share your hacks in the comments below.